Today we're talking about the very useful verb piacere. Cominciamo!
Buongiorno a tutti e benvenuti a Coffee Break Italian. Io sono Mark.
Salve a tutti, io sono Francesca.
And as Francesca said, we're talking about the verb piacere today. And this is in response to Anna's question. Anna, one of our Coffee Break learners, contacted us and said, I've just started learning Italian and I don't understand how to say I like. And that's why we need that verb piacere. Okay, Francesca, over to you.
Okay, grazie Anna. Thank you Anna for your question. And I understand why the verb piacere is not as straightforward to understand as, let's say, other mainstream verbs in Italian. Let's have a look first at a simple sentence using a common verb in Italian. I'm thinking of the verb mangiare, to eat. We could say in Italian, io mangio la pizza. I eat the pizza, or I eat pizza. Io mangio la pizza. This is a structure we are all familiar with. We have the subject, the person who is doing the action, io. We have the verb mangiare, to eat, conjugated in the first person, singular, mangio, and then we have the thing that we are eating, la pizza. So far, so good. And this is what happens with a lot of, let's say, mainstream verbs in Italian. But when it comes to the verb piacere, we have to make some changes to the sentence. So let's see what happens when we want to say in Italian, I like the pizza, or I like pizza.
Okay.
Okay. So while in English we have a similar structure to io mangio la pizza, I like pizza, I do the action of liking something, a pizza. In Italian we have to consider this sentence from a different point of view. And while in English you are liking the pizza, in Italian the pizza is doing the action somehow of being pleasing to you. It doesn't make much sense in English, but this in between can probably help you understand the logic behind this verb. So let's see what we would say in Italian, and then we can look at the sentence in more detail. The Italian for I like the pizza is mi piace la pizza.
Excellent. Now, there's one really important thing here that we need to think about, and that's the fact that me does not mean I. Okay, we need to be really careful there. Me does not mean I. It kind of means to me. So we've got to me pleases the pizza, or to me is pleasing the pizza. The pizza is pleasing me rather than I like the pizza.
Esatto. I think this is a useful way to look at this verb, to familiarize with it a little bit more. And similarly, we could say mi piace il caffè. I like coffee, or I like the coffee.
There we go. Mi piace il caffè.
Perfetto. And yes, the accent should be in the other direction, Mark. Don't worry too much. This is not really too important. And we can also use this structure, mi piace, if we like doing something. So, for example, mi piace suonare.
Mi piace suonare. What do you like to play?
Mi piace suonare il violino.
Il violino. Perfetto. Okay.
So playing the violin literally pleases to me.
So each time that me is still to me pleases to play the violin. To me pleases the coffee. To me pleases the pizza. But each of these things, la pizza, il caffè, suonare il violino, they're kind of singular things. What happens when you like more than one thing?
When we like more than one thing, we have to change the verb into a plural form. So, for example, if you want to say I like mushrooms, then the verb piace becomes piacciono. So I like mushrooms, mi piacciono. And remember, you want to emphasize the first part of the verb, mi piacciono I funghi.
I funghi. Okay.
Bravissimo, Mark. The reason why we have a plural verb, it's because something plural, I funghi, they are pleasing to me in a way. I know this is not good English, but this is the in-between language that can help you understand the grammar rule behind this verb.
Italglese is very important, isn't it?
Sì.
Okay, so we've got mi piacciono I funghi. Give us another example of mi piacciono.
Mi piacciono gli spaghetti.
Ah, okay, and there's some good practice of our gli sound. Mi piacciono gli spaghetti, like so. Mi piacciono gli spaghetti. Okay, so that's all to me and I like. So I like pizza. What about do you like pizza, Francesca?
For do you like, we need the equivalent of to you. So the equivalent of to you in Italian is ti. And then we can just use piace and piacciono depending on the noun which comes after, or indeed if there is an infinitive, we are using piace. So if I'm asking Mark, do you like pizza? Mark, ti piace la pizza?
Sì, Francesca, mi piace molto la pizza.
Ovviamente. E Mark, ti piacciono I funghi?
Sì, mi piacciono I funghi. If I didn't like mushrooms, where would we put the non?
The non is placed in front of everything. So I don't like pizza. Non mi piace la pizza. This is a set structure, so make sure that you follow this order. Non followed by to me or to you, the verb piacere, and the thing that you like or don't like. Non mi piace la pizza.
Okay, so we've got non, then the verb piacere in some way, so mi piace, and then the thing that you don't like. Non mi piace la pizza, non mi piace il caffè, non mi piacciono gli spaghetti, and so on.
Esatto.
Perfetto. Okay, well, hopefully, Anna, that has helped you work out how to say I like and I don't like in Italian. It can be a little tricky, especially at the beginning. But if you can use your Italglese, a combination of Italian and Inglese, then that works to help you with this. Now, if you have a question like Anna, then you can get in touch with us. Simply head to coffeebreakquestions.com where you can leave your question and we'll do our best to answer that in a future episode. And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, then give it a like and also make sure you subscribe. And by subscribing, you will see all of our videos. And if you hit the little bell icon that appears, then you'll be notified as to when we're posting new videos to help you with your Italian.
And if you want to practice the verb piacere further, just let us know what you like or what you don't like using the comments here below.
Benissimo. È tutto per oggi. Grazie mille, Francesca.
Grazie a te, Mark, e alla prossima.
Ciao.
Ciao ciao.